Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome to Morhar Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain matrices and determinants part 2 previous year question case questions. Let us go to the next problem. This question from 2018. In the statement A and one condition is given, then we have to find K. First we have to find A square. A square is equal to A into A. 2 minus 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. In this 1 2 take out common, as well as second matrix also. 2 into 2, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. This will be 2 square into, after product of these two matrices, first row multiply with first column 2, first row multiply with second column minus 2, second row first column and second row second column. So 2 square into this will be A. So A square is equal to 2 square into A. Similarly, we have to find A cube. A cube is equal to A square into A. Already A square value we got it, 2 square into A. 2 square into A into A. This is going to be A into A square. This will be 2 square into A square value already we got 2 square into A. So this will be 2 power 4 into A. Let us observe A square is equal to 2 square into A. A cube is equal to 2 to the power 4 into A. And so on. Let us observe A square is equal to 2 square into A. This means A square is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 2 minus 1 into A. That means A cube means A cube is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 2 minus 1 into A cube. 2 power 2 into 3 minus 1 into A. So this is 2 to the power 4. Similarly, A to the power n. A to the power n is equal to 2 to the power n into n minus 1 into A. But what is given A to the power n? 2 power k into A given. This is equal to 2 to the power 2 into n minus 1 into A. So on right cancellation law, both sides A get cancelled. Now k is equal to 2 into n minus 1. Option 4 correct. Option 4 correct. Let us go to the next problem. So this is also from 2018 question. One condition is given, then find out x and y. First, we have to multiply this given matrices. First row multiply with first column 1 into x plus 1 into y, x plus y, and second row multiply with first column minus x plus y. This is equal to 2 4. Let us observe these two matrices. These two matrices are equal matrices. So equating corresponding elements. X plus y is equal to 2 and minus x plus y is equal to 4. So let us do simplify by using elimination method. Adding these two matrices, x get cancelled, 2y is equal to 8, 6, y is equal to 3. So y value 3 substitute in any equation. So x plus y is equal to 2, x plus 3 is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 comma 3 correct answers. So minus 1 comma 3. Fourth option correct. I am going to explain question number 3 from 2018. So what is given? In the statement one square matrix A given, and we have to find A into A dash. A dash is transpose of A. So now our target A into A dash. This will be cos alpha in sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha into A dash transpose of A. So this transpose of A must be cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha cos alpha. What is this? Transpose of this matrix. Transpose. So transpose of this matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. First we have to multiply these two matrices. What we get? Cos first row multiply with first column cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1, and first row multiply with the second column cos alpha minus sin alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha value will be 0, and the second row multiply with first column minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha, this will be 0, and the second row multiply with the second column plus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha 1. So this will be I. So A into A dash is equal to I. So we got it I. So which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is question from 2018, where XYZ belongs to R, then find out this debt value. This kind of problems by using substitution method. Put x is equal to 0. So this will be 5 power 0 plus 5 power 0 whole square. 5 power 0 is 1. Anything power 0, 1. 1 plus 1 whole square, this will be 4. 5 power 0 minus 5 power 0 whole square. So 1 minus 1 whole square, this value will be 0. Next one. And similarly, second row also, 6 power 0 plus 6 power 0 whole square. This will be 1 plus 1 whole square, 4. 401, 401. So this debt will be 0. So by using debt property, so what is the debt property? If any row or columns having zeros, then that will be 0. So direct process is also that will be 0. So which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2018. Debt of 3 by 3 matrix. This kind of problems by using verification method. So first option A cube plus B cube plus C cube. So let us take A, B, C values, any real numbers. Let A is equal to -1, B is equal to +1, C is equal to 2. So first option will be -1 whole cube, -1 plus 1 whole cube, plus 1, 2 cube is 8. So this will be 8. In second option, 3 into -1 into 1 into, this will be -6. So what is the third option? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABs. A cube plus B cube plus C cube, we got it 8. 8 minus of -6, this will be 14. In fourth option, A cube plus B cube plus C cube value 8 minus 3ABC value -6. So all are different answers. 8 minus 6, 14, 2. So ABC value I have substitute in statement. From statement, this will going to be ABC, A minus B. A minus B, -1, -1, -2. B plus C. 1 plus 2, 3. And A value -1. B minus C. 1 minus 2, -1. C plus A. C plus A. 1. And B value 1. C minus A. 2 minus of -1, 3. A plus B, 0. And C value 2. So this value will be -2 times of AD minus BC. In first row, -2 present in first row and first column. So ignore first row and first column. So -2 times of remaining value debt. 2 minus 0, 2. -3 times of -2 -3, -5 plus plus into minus minus 1 time of minus 0 minus 3 minus 3 minus 4 plus 15 plus 3. So this value 18 minus 4 14. So 14 correct answer. So option 3 correct. So option 3 14, option 3 correct. Let us go to the next problem. x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 are vertices of triangle and its area is k square units. Then we have to find that whole square. In this that 1 4 take out common. So 4 square into x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 whole square. But we know that area of the triangle formula 1 by 2 times of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. So from statement area of the triangle given k square units, k is equal to half times of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1. So by cross product this will be 2k. Now this value 4 square value is 16. So this is going to be x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 whole square. This value is 2k. We got it. So 2k whole square. So 16 into this is 4 square 4k square 64k square. So which option is correct? Third option is correct. I am going to explain question number 7 from 2018. A be the square matrix of order 3 and we have to find data of 5a. We know that data of ka is equal to k to the power n into det a, where n is the order of the square matrix. N is the where n be the order of the square matrix of A. So what is required? Data of 5a. Data of 5a is equal to 5 to the power n into det a. From statement n value 3 given. So substitute in this one 5 cube into det a. This will be 125 into det a. So which option is correct? Option 2 is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2017 question. So by using AD minus BC formula. So 3 minus x square is equal to. So this is also 2 by 2 square matrix, that is AD minus BC 3 minus 8. Both sides 3 get cancelled. Minus x square is equal to minus 8. X square is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. Option 4 correct. Let us go to the next problem. So this is from 2017 question. So one condition is given. Then find the values of x and y. First 2 multiply with this matrix. Now this is going to be 2 multiply with first matrix. 2, 6, 0, 2x. Plus second matrix write as it is. This is equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. Sum of two matrices will be 2 plus y, 6, 0 plus 1, 1, 2x plus 2. This will be 5, 6, 1, 8. These two matrices are equal matrices, so equating corresponding elements. Therefore 2 plus y is equal to 5, therefore y is equal to 3. And 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So 3 comma 3, first option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. So delta 1 values are given. We have to find this value. Data of ax, by, cz, x square, y square, z square, 1, 1, 1. So options are the relation between delta and delta 1 are given. Now, so data of one property is there, data of A is equal to delta A transpose. Very important this is. So this is nothing but delta of A is equal to A transpose. This will be, this transpose means AX, x square 1, BY, y square 1, CZ, Z square 1. So this is nothing but delta. This is nothing but delta. Okay, clear? Now, little bit adjustment is there, this continuation. XYZ divided and multiplied. AX, BY, CZ, x square, y square, z square, 1, 1, 1. So on XYZ multiply with third row. So 1 by XYZ into AX, BY, CZ, x square, y square, z square, XYZ, XYZ and XYZ. Let us observe, in first column X, in second column Y, in third column Z. Same values are there. So for in first column, in second column, in third column, XYZ take out common. So this will be going on XYZ by XYZ is equal to A, B, C. In first column, X take out common, A, X, Y, Z, B, Y, Z, X, C, Z, X, Y. So XYZ, XYZ cancel. So this is nothing but delta 1. So we got it delta 1. So delta is equal to delta 1. Therefore, delta is equal to delta 1. Which option is correct? Option 3 correct. Let us go to the next problem. From this statement, A, B, two matrices are given. Then we have to find A minus B. Okay. Let us do subtraction. A minus B is equal to 1 by pi, take out common, sin inverse pi x minus of cos inverse pi x. Sin inverse pi x minus of minus cos inverse pi x. This will be sin inverse pi x plus cos inverse pi x. Tan inverse of x by pi minus tan inverse of x by pi, 0. Next, sin inverse of x by pi minus sin inverse of x by pi, this will be 0. Cot inverse of pi x minus of minus plus tan inverse of pi x, this will be cot inverse of pi x plus tan inverse of pi x. We have sin inverse of pi x plus cos inverse of pi x value pi by 2. Cot inverse plus tan inverse, this is also pi by 2. So 1 by pi times of pi by 2, 0, 0, pi by 2. In this 1 pi by 2 take out common, 1 by pi into pi by 2 into 1, 0, 0, 1. Pi get cancelled, this is 1 by 2 into, this is nothing but identity matrix. I by 2 correct answer, option 2. Let us go to the next problem. In the statement A is the square matrix of order given, order is equal to 3 by 3. Then we have to find delta of Ka. So delta of Ka is equal to, we know that k to the power n into det A, where n is order of the matrix. From statement order of the matrix is 3 given. Therefore, answer is k to the power n, n place and write 3, k cube into det A. So option 4 correct. Let us go to the next problem. If a matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, 4 options are given. First option A is diagonal matrix, zero matrix, scalar matrix and square matrix. Okay. Zero matrix satisfied symmetric and skew symmetric property. Let O is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. O transpose is also O. This is a symmetric. And O transpose is also minus 0, minus O. So O transpose is equal to minus O also. Therefore, O is skew symmetric matrix. So null matrix, zero matrix satisfied, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next part.